Containment field is active. The contamination is severe, with multiple layers of ossified cerumen and fungal growth.
Here it is, hidden from the world, and we enter the outer grotto. Listen, the sound of constant. Every cavern has a river. This is the walls here hold the echoes of every sound you have ever heard. The cavern is lined with geodes, full of hidden beauty. We gently.
Time has caused small stones to fall, blocking the path.
Look, we have reached it, the great crystal chamber, the very heart.
Listen. The crystals have a song. In the center of the chamber is the pool of silence. Gaze into it.
It is time to return, but you.
Welcome. The first movement is the overture. It is slow, gentle, a soft introduction to the main themes.
Now, the second movement, allegro. The tempo quickens. We introduce the percussion section. Listen to the rhythm.
The third movement is a playful scherzo. We introduce the unpredictable element of water.
We begin with the prima materia, the raw, chaotic essence of the world. Now we awaken the pigments. A single drop of water brings them to life. Listen.
Deploying diagnostic nanoprobes. The swarm will map all signal blockages and organic buildup.
Activating the resonance wave.
The extraction is complete. A cryopolish will now be applied to reduce any minor thermal variations and reset the surface to optimal condition.